Welcome to the world of reclaimed wood crafts, where creativity meets sustainability. In recent years, the use of reclaimed wood has gained significant popularity among artisans and consumers alike. This trend reflects a growing awareness of environmental issues and a desire for unique, handcrafted products. Reclaimed wood, sourced from old buildings, furniture, and other structures, not only provides a rich history and character to each piece, but also contributes to reducing waste and conserving natural resources. By choosing reclaimed materials, artisans not only create beautiful items, but also play a vital role in promoting environmental sustainability, making their crafts more meaningful and impactful. As you embark on this journey into the realm of woodworking, you'll discover the endless possibilities that reclaimed wood offers. From functional furniture to artistic home decor, each project allows for personal expression while highlighting the beauty of nature's imperfections. This small crafts business not only supports individual creativity, but also fosters a sense of community as artisans connect with like-minded individuals who share a passion for sustainable practices. The unique textures, colors, and grains found in reclaimed would inspire creativity and innovation, enabling artisans to craft one-of-a-kind pieces that resonate with customers. As you explore the various aspects of this business, you'll find that woodworking with reclaimed materials is not just a craft. It's a commitment to a more sustainable future, where each piece tells a story and contributes to a healthier planet. Reclaimed wood is sourced from various structures, including old barns, factories, and furniture, giving it a unique character and history. This type of wood is not only aesthetically appealing, but also environmentally friendly. By choosing reclaimed wood, artisans contribute to reducing waste and the demand for newly harvested timber. This practice promotes sustainability, as it minimizes deforestation and energy consumption associated with new wood production. As consumers become more eco-conscious, the appeal of products made from reclaimed wood has grown, making it a viable option for crafting businesses. Woodworking is a rewarding skill that combines creativity with craftsmanship. It allows artisans to express their artistic vision while working with their hands. The process of transforming raw wood into finished products can be highly satisfying and therapeutic, offering a sense of accomplishment. Starting a woodworking business. To successfully launch a woodworking business, aspiring entrepreneurs should begin with thorough market research. Understanding consumer preferences and identifying gaps in the market can inform product development and marketing strategies. A well-structured business plan is essential, outlining the vision, mission, target audience, and financial projections. This plan serves as a roadmap for the business and can attract potential investors or partners. Additionally, artisans should consider legal requirements, such as business licenses and permits, to ensure compliance with local regulations. Crafting ideas with reclaimed wood. Each piece created has its own story and character, making it unique in the marketplace. The potential for innovation in crafting with reclaimed wood is vast, enabling artisans to explore various styles and techniques, from rustic to modern aesthetics. By offering job opportunities, the business can help revitalize local craftsmanship traditions and encourage the next generation to engage in woodworking. Additionally, a thriving business can stimulate related industries, such as hardware suppliers and local markets. Establishing a robust online presence is essential for modern woodworking businesses. A professional website can serve as a portfolio, showcasing products, craftsmanship, and the story behind the brand. E-commerce capabilities enable artisans to sell their products directly to consumers, reaching a wider audience beyond their local area. Utilizing search engine optimization, SEO, techniques can enhance online visibility, attracting organic traffic to the website. Engaging with customers through email newsletters and social media can nurture relationships and encourage repeat purchases. Sustainability is increasingly important to consumers, and woodworking businesses can capitalize on this trend by emphasizing their eco-friendly practices. By using reclaimed wood, artisans can market their products as environmentally responsible choices. Sales channels for reclaimed wood crafts. Identifying the right sales channels is vital for maximizing profitability. Artisans can explore a variety of sales options, including online marketplaces like Etsy, local boutiques, and craft fairs. Each channel offers unique advantages, catering to different customer demographics. Selling online allows for broader reach, while local markets provide personal interaction and immediate customer feedback. By diversifying sales channels, artisans can stabilize income and reduce reliance on any single source. Setting the right pricing strategy is crucial for ensuring profitability while remaining competitive. Artisans should consider production costs, market demand, and competitor pricing when determining product prices. Transparent pricing that reflects the quality and craftsmanship of the items can build consumer trust. Offering tiered pricing for different product lines or custom pieces can also attract a wider range of customers. Regularly reviewing pricing strategies based on market trends and customer feedback can help maintain profitability. Engaging with customers is essential for building a loyal customer base. Actively soliciting feedback on products and services can provide insights into customer preferences and areas for improvement. Responding promptly to inquiries and fostering a sense of community through social media can enhance the customer experience. Hosting workshops or events can also create opportunities for direct interaction, allowing artisans to showcase their expertise while building relationships with their audience. As the business grows, expanding the product line can attract new customers and increase sales. Artisans can introduce new designs or complementary products that resonate with their target audience. Collaborating with other local artisans or businesses can lead to unique creations and broaden market reach. Seasonal or themed products can also stimulate interest and drive sales during specific times of the year. By continuously innovating and adapting, artisans can keep their offerings fresh and relevant. Challenges in the woodworking business. Running a woodworking business comes with its challenges, including sourcing high-quality reclaimed wood and managing production costs. Artisans must navigate these challenges while maintaining product quality and customer satisfaction. Establishing reliable networks of suppliers and fellow craftsmen can help mitigate some of these issues. Additionally, staying informed about industry trends and consumer preferences can aid in anticipating challenges and adapting strategies accordingly. Thank you for watching the video. We genuinely appreciate your time and interest in our exploration of reclaimed wood crafts. If you found the content valuable, please consider giving us a thumbs up to show your support. It really helps us reach a wider audience. Sharing this video with your friends and fellow crafting enthusiasts can inspire others to embrace the beauty of reclaimed wood and sustainable practices. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials, tips, and insights that will enhance your woodworking journey.